Hey guys, welcome back to another virtual org. Well, today, why you guys are wondering why we are in the airplane? Well, I kind of want some we're going to Mexico, maybe 10 on Toca Boca. So I just want to make some video because I'm kind of bored. So I decided to make some video with you guys. Okay, so then I packed this stuff because yesterday I already did one, but I cannot upload it because I keep turning off my screen. So yeah. Okay, this will go. Mom, I'm so excited. Me too. I know you got really excited. Come on, let's find our seats. I guess you put your backpack right here. So yeah. Oh my. Hold on. There we go. I wish I had everything already. So yeah, say yeah. When I say so yeah. Cause something wrong with me. I'm just changing down to the pajama cause on the for me on the airplane looks cold for me, but I don't know about you guys. Okay, let me put the table kind of next to it. Yeah, like that, like that. Whoever needs to go to the bathroom, if you need to go to the bathroom, just ask me, not you, because you're so tall, you're 16, and she just 5 years old. Okay, yeah. Let me turn on something. Welcome to our first flight from, I guess. How many hours will I stay here? Like 9 hours. Okay. They'll plan up to start putting on your seatbelt, guys. Not the kid, because the kid, it's all fine. Okay, put on your seatbelt. You put on your seatbelt. Okay. Okay. Hold on. I don't want the TV. Wait, turn the lights. Let me go tell the manager, do they have some snack? Do you guys have some snack? We do. Let me just call the manager. No, the worker who made the snack. Hold on, do we have enough? We need 2. Yep, we do have 2. We need 1 more chocolate. Why all these are broken? We'll throw these away because these are I don't know how to say. Yeah. Oh, check out I make the airplane ready to set up ready. Watch that video first and then watch this video, or just watch this video. It's okay. You don't have to watch any of them. Oh shit, I missed that. Okay. I'm gonna do a few more of this. I'll just add all of them. And just go eat these. They're delicious. These in the trash. Wait, I need a trash can. Hold on. I'm gonna move this thing. I'm gonna put the trash can right here. Or actually, this will be right here. And this right here. And it was right there. Okay. Hold on, I'm not done with everything yet. We need more candy. There we go. Hold on. The flight has not been gone yet. I kind of get a little bit, so it's okay. Here's your snack. if you guys hungry, you get no. This one is too old. Which one should we do next? Ew! What the? Oh, you look nice, but no. Let's take this off. Yeah. Okay. Here's your snack. If you guys need something, just call us. That machine, just press on 1-1 and then we will come to you guys. What do you need? Thanks. Do you have any drink? We have grape, green apple, and pineapple. Which one do you want? I'll do 2 grape. Okay. 2 grape ready. Here you go. Thanks. You're welcome. We need lights because I cannot see without lights. Hold on. It looks dark. Okay. Here's your drink. If you guys need some, you guys can have it, and I have some snack too. Okay. Hold on, let me put the snack in the middle. Their drink. Hold on, this. Should we switch spot? No, I'm gonna steal right here. Okay, guys, I'm going to sleep because it's nighttime. Okay. Oh wait, why is it turning daytime? It's too bright. Put more light. Why is too? Why? Oh yeah, there's. Oh wait, hold on. Says I'm bored. Me too. Let's get our backpack. This is my backpack. This is your backpack. Okay. Get my teddy bear out. And my little blanket. Or my, what's it called? The little thing. We're going to stay on Mexico for 3 days, so I'm going to get 4 outfits. Because I don't know why. I'm just going to get out my tablet to watch something. Hold on, I don't want to drink. Let's eat the little donut thing, and I'm gonna put the drink in here. Okay. There, I put a drink in here. There you go. Hold on. There you go. I'm gonna put my tablet. Is this called a tablet, y'all? For me, it's still called a tablet, but 10 it's a tablet. I'll watch something. I'm going to watch this. Sorry, God, that's just my. Yeah, I think she's all fine. That's not my sister screaming out loud. I need a bed. Hold on. I need yeah, let's get this couch just in case. Cause pretend like it's sleeping. Let's sit on this couch cause I'm so tired. It's so fun. Okay, I'll get on my phone and my toast or my sandwich or toast. I'll go call my little plushie. It'll be Toad. How about yours? Mine is maybe Tommy or Sammy. Oh, cool name. So yours a boy, right? Yeah. Okay, we have to be quiet for my dad to sleep. Okay. Okay, let me sit next to you. In case you don't get scared. Oh, I'll put my backpack right here next to me because, yeah. Because I need it. Okay. Oh my gosh, I hate Look at the clip. I was kind of itching my ear a little bit and it's kind of hurt. So I'll kind of next my backpack. Okay, put my backpack up there because actually me too. I'll put it right there. Okay. I'm feeling asleep a little bit. Intention. Oh. Never mind. Not attention anymore. Put one light on. It's so bright. Okay. We forgot to turn this light off. Hold on. Okay. I would do. Wait. I'm gonna go to the bathroom to feed my TikTok. Do you want to come? Yeah. Okay. Which one do you want to bring? My teddy bear. Okay. Well, let's go. I mean, what do you want to do? Put down the teddy bear. Okay. So right here. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I have a little baby here, and yeah. So what you gonna do? Let's go outside because we're on the airplane. Let me call my friend. Hold on. Go to your back to your seat now. I will call my friend. Hey, Jessica. Hi. What are you doing? Are you in the bathroom? Yeah. Are you at home? No, I'm in the airplane. Look, see? Oh my gosh. Wait, where are you going to? Mexico? I forgot to tell you. You go without me? How dare you? How dare you? It's okay, God. Hold on, this keep happening. Wilfred. Oh my. Hold on. It won't. Okay, I have to go. Bye. Bye. Oh my. I hate this. Okay. I'm just gonna watch on my phone. Okay. Hold on. Let me put my backpack somewhere. I wish there's a table. Hold on. It's like, oh. So let's see if there's a table. So oh yeah, we can have some table. The back side. Okay. Yay. Okay, I'll turn off the TV because it's too loud. What's that noise? What was that noise? Probably just mom and dad sleeping. Oh, forgot. Oh yeah, by the way, there's a 2 table, so you can put our backpack in. I'm kind of sleepy. I'm gonna sleep first. Okay. So this sleeping is so tired. I'm kind of a little bit thirsty, so I'm gonna drink my grape juice, I guess. It's delicious. It's really good. You guys should try it. Here, try it, you guys. You guys cannot try it at all, so I'm answer. I kind of a bit tired, so I'm going to put my phone right here. Hold on, right here. Kind of next to me because just couldn't need it. And I'm going to sleep a nice. Should I change my clothes? I'm going to change my clothes. So let's go. I'm going to change into my pajama. And when we go to Mexico, I'll buy more shirts. So yeah. Okay, I'll put this where it's going. Okay, go to sleep now. Okay. Let me tell I'm yummy. Oh, it's morning. Huh? It's morning? Huh? Shh. He's on the airplane. Be quiet. Oh, I forgot. I'm sorry. It's okay. What? That's queso. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Let the people hear it.
Try not to laugh.
Okay,
No,
fine. Okay, go. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm sorry. What? I already see that video. It's on queso. I'm sorry, can I like this queso? If you follow on queso on TikTok. If you guys know what TikTok means, so or on YouTube, you guys should watch queso on YouTube. It's queso. So yeah, you can watch queso first, then me, cause. So yeah, he always live on Twitch and then on TikTok, cause he always play Just Impress. So yeah. Well, I'm sorry, yeah. I'm sorry, I was interrupting about my sister, so I'm sorry. Come back to Toca Boca. Okay, it's sleepy time. I'm so tired. Let me stretch a little bit. Oh, I'm so tired. Me too, I'm tired a lot. It's morning. Oh yeah, it's morning. Oh wait, I forgot we're still on the airplane. Yeah. Why your shirt looks so different? Oh yeah, cause last night I changed to my pajama. So yeah, it's kind of cold. So I'm gonna change to my pajama. Wait, are we going to Mexico and go buy some shirt? Yeah, we are. Okay. Let me put everything down. I put my thing. Oh wait, I forgot to turn on my tablet the whole time. I hope it still have battery. I think it will still have battery. So yeah, it'll be all fine. Huh? Oh, it's yeah. This is my first time to job here. First time jobs. This is breakfast time. What should we eat for breakfast? Maybe eggs and toast? Toast? Okay, I'm not good at English, so yeah. If you can hear like Vietnamese voice, it's just my grandma, because I'm at my grandma's house. So yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to stack now. Okay, first maybe eggs. I did it wrong, but it's okay. Oh my gosh. A sandwich with maybe like some of this. Oh, it's delicious. And maybe, yeah. Can I grab that plates? Okay. Next one. Oh wait, we have no more bread. Sorry guys, just my sister. Oh wait, there's this. I forgot. I'm so sorry. If you can hear that, it's just my sister watching Queso and saying on Twitch. He is so annoying. I mean, I didn't mean to say that. Oh wait. Oh my, I cannot grab the plate. Okay, let me just put this down and go to hold to this. And one more bread, okay. And I'm done. So we'll need one more of this. And let's go. I'll put some water later. Okay, breakfast is ready. We have sandwich and eggs and little treat. So here's yours. Hold on, not the whole cart. Here's yours. And here's a kid. Oh my gosh, I can't grab the plate. Okay, here's some food. I hate this. Hold on. I'm not good at this. Oh wait. And this right there. Okay, and last one. Here you go, ma'am. Okay, everything's ready. Okay, I'll put some water for you guys. Water or just drink? I'll do water. Water, water, water. Okay, the family have water today. Because I love water. I'll give them a nasty water. Sorry, guys. Wait, I have to. Okay, let's go, guys. We need some plates, so we need 4 plates. So we don't need that much plates. How you? Toca Boca have actually changed a lot, so I think just a little bit, but especially about me. Here you go, sir. There you go, ma'am. Let me put the snack down. Here's the kid. I'm going to hold my thing. Enjoy your breakfast. Oh, if you're done, just call me. Press 111, don't forget. I'll eat my food. And my little donut. My treat. Oh. And some water. So good. My turn to eat my little sandwich. I'll eat like this. Tasty. And I'm going to drink my water, and I'm all done. Eat my this, and some water. I'm drinking my water first, and then I will eat this. All done. I think they're done. Are you guys done? Yeah, we are done. Okay. Put your plate right here. Take this. Let me see that I got water. Thank you. Let me see yours. Thank you. Wait. There we go. Okay, bye guys. Okay. Wait, let's put like one more the stool. Let's put one more because we need like 2 of them. So yeah. I'll put the I'll say here. And then I'm gonna drink my little drink. Here's yours. I'll eat my candy. I don't want this. Hold on. I need a trash can. Oh, I ate mine. Oh, I did one for 2. That was delicious. We'll save these at night. We have one more night and one more morning, so go fly to Mexico. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's dinner time. We have no food. So, do you guys bring anything? Hold on, I'll bring you guys some treats just in case that you got hungry. Let's see. Hold on. I'm just gonna bring the box of it, so just in case you guys need it. You gonna have pizza, candy. You'll put 2 pizza, cause there's 2 kids. Some little this. I'll put 4 of them. So yeah. Hold on. It keeps doing this to me. I don't know why. So 4 of these. And a little this. A box of chocolate. Like, I don't know. Cereal. Put like 3 in it. These. Oh. Let's put one away. And the jelly bean, they're going to share the jelly bean. Or actually put one away. And yeah, all done. Here's your box of snack. I know it's big. Like the small one looks kind of ugly. Actually, no, I'm not going to spend that much. No. We're going to have a smaller one. So, like, probably this one. And put 2 this. Wait, not this one. These, because these are, pretend like those are, like, chips. And some of the candy. And cereal. The jelly bean. What else, guys? Oh, yeah, these. Put 3 in it. Oh, it's too good, never mind. Okay. So here's your guy thing. If you guys need it, just ask me more. Wait, hold on. Do we have a same thing? Because it's each of them. There you go. I'm sorry. Okay, there's your snack. If you guys need something, you guys just ask me. It's okay. Okay, people have snack! Yay! I'm not gonna eat my snack. I'll eat them at night. Well, later. This is my side, this is your side. Okay. I'll just put it them right. What?
The charger, get out, move, bitch.
Oh. The blanket, that is my blanket. Okay, hold on. Okay, put the backpack over the snack. Right here. Oh yeah, I need this. Thank you. The teddy bear. We have a lot. Hold on. Or should we put the snack in here? No. I'm not going to do that. I'll put this right here. And that. And my tablet, I'm just going to fit in that. And yeah, I only have a little bit thing, but sis has a lot of things. So I'll be fine. Let me put my teddy bear away because I don't need it. Okay, do whatever you want, sis. My dad to get out because I need to fix something. Me too. I'll put my phone next to me because in case my boyfriend caught me. What'd you say? Nothing. You better say not your boyfriend. I didn't. You better. Don't say boyfriend. Or else. You're gonna die? Maybe. Maybe no. Maybe yes. I don't know. You're an evil mom then. No, I'm not. You're such a jerk to your mother. I am. Will you not be quiet? Stop fighting, y'all. Whatever. I'm kind of a bit hungry, so I'm going to eat my snack Yeah. And my dad's sleepy, and I don't care. I'll put my tablet right here on the table. And the backpack. I will. Oh, delicious. One more. I will save later. So yeah. I'm not gonna eat mine yet. Ash gonna eat mine. So yeah, I'm gonna eat more of this same like sis. Cause I copy her. Now she copied me a lot. But this time I'll copy her back. So yeah. I'm gonna save for mom and dad too. Okay. The light is turning off. If I want to go to sleep, if I don't, then you don't have to. The light's turning off, guys. So yeah. Just relaxing. I'm so tired. Sorry guys, did I scare you a lot? Return is home. Pretend we are yawning. Wait, are we here in Mexico? Okay guys, graduation. You gotta at Mexico now. You're gonna stay there for 4 days, right? Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. Welcome to that. You made it to Mexico. Yay! Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, pack your things. Okay, pack your things. We go wait for you. I'm gonna be. We have not now. Okay. How's the snack? You gotta keep the snack wherever you want. I'll go put my here. Let me put it for you. Hold on. You have a lot of stuff. Yeah, I know, Dad. Wait, we need another backpack. Why drink so much? I don't know. Okay, I think mine's ready. And of course, I never forget this. And I'll go pack my things. I'll pack this, and I will hold my little thing. And I'm all done. Wait, I won't forget my tablet. I not forget. Wait. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. I'll hold these. Yeah, I'm done. I'll hold the baby. Okay. Bye. Bye. We're going to eat something. We're going to eat something in Toca Boca and it'll be end. How many percent do I have? 82. Go eat something in Toca Boca and then we're going to end this video. Because I need to take a shower. Okay. Okay, so we are here. Yay! Welcome to Food Market. You're first in Mexico. Put all your bag right there. Okay. Put your bag here, guys. I will stay here. I will stay here. Okay, let's go, kid. Come on. I'm done. I'm going to sit here. It's kind of messy, but it's okay. Bring this thing out. Did you put that in the trash can? It's okay. Put everything in the trash can. Okay, let's just sit inside. Okay. Okay. Welcome. What do you like? What do you have? We have boba, like sweet stuff. Can I have 2 boba and something? Of course. 2 boba here. Thank you. You're welcome. Here you go, kid. Yay, boba! Get these for them. Here you go. Oh my gosh. Here you go. Here you go. There's too many. I think we don't need this one, so I can trash that one and we can have this one. Oh my gosh, these are for you guys, so you guys can eat them. Yay! Delicious. It was so good. Okay, guys, let's go to our grandpa's mother. Yay! I'm so excited to meet them. Me too. Okay, grab your bag. Here's your bag. This is mine. No, this is my dad. This is mom, right? Yeah. This my with the iPad. Wait. Can I put the iPad in here? Yes, we can. Okay, good. And this for dad. Hey, kid. Let's go. Yay, I'm so excited for Mexico. Yay, yeah. Okay, we'll meet our grandma and grandpa first, and then we'll play a little bit, and then we'll end this video. So, yeah. That's a grandma. Well, the grandpa passed away. Knock, knock, ding dong. Oh, must be them. Hello, kid. Hello, grandma. Hi. Well, we tell we are here in Texas because last time we hit in New York. I'm so glad to meet you. And I'm so excited too. Where do we put our bags? You guys can put them right there. I mean, right there. Okay. This bag really heavy. I'm sorry, kid. Sit down. Okay. Wow. Wait, where do you sleep at? We only have like I thought you were sleeping down here. Well, I like to sleep down here or sleep right here. Cause I don't know why I always do that. Oh, okay. I want to sleep with you guys. Mom and dad sleep together, and I'll sleep with sis. Yes, of course, you'll sleep with me. Okay. Oh, let's go to sleep, kid. You guys can sit down. Okay. And I'm gonna turn off the TV because there is no way to turn off every single light. Get the water for them. Let me get this. Okay. the wire right there. So great. This right there. And turn off the light. There we go. Candle. And we'll sleep right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give me a big thumbs up and give me a subscribe button. Bye y'all. And you want me to go back to New York? Just say in the comments whatever you want. So yeah. Bye. I'll see you maybe a week.